Hey guys, so I've been working out here on the beach. I've been liking to come down and work out here because it's just really nice. I love the beach. I always want to work out by the beach. It's like I manifested being able to come to the beach and work out. And I was using this little playground over here on North Miami Beach. And I'm basically done. I worked out today. I went to the coffee shop. I worked on my videos. And I feel like that's a productive day. Other than I didn't drink any protein today because I was gone all day. But once I get home, I'll drink a protein. So I feel like today was like a really good, successful day. I was off today from work. I work tomorrow at 4:30 a.m. So I have to be up by 4, probably even 3:40, just to start my day right because I don't like being pressured. I realize that. So yeah, I'm done and I'll see y'all in my next clip. Also, the coffee shop that I went to is called Lolita's Lolita something, but it's so beautiful. Like, you'll see the little short videos that I'm gonna make and the little post of them, and I'm gonna record in there too when I go next time. It was so beautiful. It's such a vibe. It's my kind of vibe. If I had a coffee shop, it would be just like that. And I just love the color pink, as y'all can tell, and it was just amazing. So this is where I parked, and I passed by this little shop. So obviously there's restaurants here, but there's this thing called a matryoshka whatever deli food. Matryoshka deli food. I'm sorry if I say it wrong. I don't even know what. I think it might be a little bit Russian. I have no idea, honestly, but it was so good. I just bought something from here and I'm so ready to eat it. And yeah, it's time to go home. It's so fun to explore all these different places. Like, this is like the thing I live for. Like, who knows what the hell that says over there, but I'm going to figure it out eventually. And I want to come to some of these places, even if it means like coming alone, obviously, because I'm here alone, or with like friends that I'm meeting, or even like this place looks really nice. I want to come here eventually, bring my family one day. But for me, it's not time to go out today because I work at 5, but I have to be there and get up by 4. Like I said, 3:40 or something. But this was the day here in Miami, North Miami Beach. Went to the coffee shop, worked on my videos, and I find that to be successful. I really do. And I'll show y'all the food that I got once I get home. I'll be so ready to eat it. It looks healthy as fuck. And yeah, guys, I'll see you when I get home. We have chicken. Okay, so we have chicken, salmon, and eggplant, what is it, asparagus, and red pepper. I think that's asparagus, right? Yeah, it's so good. I took a bite out of this chicken and it's really good. Looks fucking delicious.